Hi, today I'll be making a detailed comparison of two really interesting AI tools, Rewind AI and Perplexity AI. Both tools solve very different problems. One is all about remembering everything you've seen or heard on your computer, and the other is about finding accurate sourced information from the web. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your style, your workflow, and even your budgets. Let's get started. With Rewind AI, Rewind positions itself as a kind of personal memory for your digital life. Think of it like an AI-powered time machine that lets you go back and revisit anything you've seen, heard, or said on your device. It works almost like a personal DVR, constantly recording your on-screen activities, meetings, and even audio, then making it all searchable with natural language. That's the magic of Rewind. It doesn't just store information, it makes it easy to find moments that would otherwise be lost in the shuffle of daily work. In short, Rewind is designed for people who live on their computers, creators, consultants, analysts, or anyone who constantly juggles documents, meetings, and research. Its value is in ensuring that you never lose context again. Now let's move on to Perplexity AI. Perplexity is often described as a research and answer engine. It combines the speed and breadth of web search with the reasoning capabilities of large language models. What sets Perplexity apart from other chatbots that are AI is its commitment to source citations. Whenever it gives you an answer, it shows you exactly where the information came from so you can verify the accuracy. You can usually find that on the top of the content it generates, like right now. This makes it incredibly useful for fact-checking, academic research, journalism, or even just personal curiosity. If you ask Perplexity, what's the latest update on EU AI regulation? It won't just generate a generic response. It will pull from recent articles, summarize the main points, and provide clickable citations. This turns it into a tool that you can trust more than a typical AI assistant that just hallucinates answers. Now let us talk about the main features of both platforms. We start with Rewind. Automatic activity capture. It records what's happening on your screen, in your apps, and during your meetings without having you to remember to hit record. Natural language search. You can search in plain English and get back results from your digital history, whether that's a PDF that you opened, a conversation that you had, or a snippet of code that you glanced at. Meeting transcripts and highlights. It is great for professionals who sit through long calls because you can replay or skim transcripts instead of rewatching entire recordings. Privacy by design. Rewind stresses that your information is stored locally, not in the cloud, so that you can retain control over your own data. And Rewind really helps with those that have ADHD because you never really have to worry about forgetting. Get back to what you're doing without the pain of trying to remember. It notes everything for you. There's also cross-platform support because you can use it on macOS and iOS, syncing options for people that move between devices. Let us talk about Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI gives source-cited answers, as I mentioned. Every answer comes with references, and this makes it trustworthy for serious research. Deep research mode. This multi-step process lets you explore complex topics in detail, pulling from multiple sources and synthesizing results. File uploads and code understanding. You can upload PDFs, documents, or even snippets of code for Perplexity to analyze. Pro and Max tiers. These unlock more daily searches, access to advanced models, and better performance. And there's fast comparisons because if you want to do a side-by-side evaluation, it's perfect for you, like comparing two products or summarizing differences in policies. Now let us talk about the pricing. For Rewind, there's a free version, which is Rewind free. You have access to your data forever. You don't pay anything, although it is limited in what it can do. But it's also a paid plan, which is the Rewind Pro, which comes at $19 per user per month when billed yearly. If you're not ready for the paid plan yet, you can try a 30-day free trial to see how effective it is, and then you can decide to pay. For Perplexity, it is also subscription-based. There's a free tier and there's a pro tier. The pricing is not directly available on the website unless you create an account with them. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For Rewind, It is exceptional for recall because you never have to lose track of anything that you saw or heard on your device. And it saves time by letting you instantly retrieve important moments from meetings or documents. How about the pros of Perplexity AI? It is excellent for accurate, source-cited research. And also, the deep research mode saves hours of manual searching. How about the cons? For Rewind, some people may feel uncomfortable with constant background recording even if it's stored locally. It is not a research tool. It won't help you find new information outside your own history. And for Perplexity, it is not a personal memory tool. It can't recall what you did yesterday on your laptop, except things that you searched for or that you asked it to run for you inside Perplexity itself. And it still requires you to double check sources for highly critical work. So here's the big question, which one should you choose? Well, if your biggest problem is about forgetting what you saw, what you read or heard, then Rewind AI is hands down the better tool. But on the other hand, if your biggest challenge is finding trustworthy, verifiable answers quickly, then Perplexity AI is the stronger choice. So in short, I'll put it, Rewind is best for recall, Perplexity is best for research. And honestly, some people will find benefit from using both because Rewind reminds you of your world and Perplexity helps you understand the world out there. And that's it on the comparison between Rewind and Perplexity AI. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Mem, Notion with Notion AI, and Otter AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.